Hello everyone, have you tried Rava Idli before? This is a type of idli that is made from rava or semolina, or also called Suji. It is savoury and very tasty, very healthy and nutritious, and it is quite easy to make at home. The best part is it doesn't need any grinding or fermentation. Let's see how to make this Rava Idli at home. First, heat up 1 tablespoon of oil. Use sesame seed oil if you have it, otherwise any cooking oil will do. Once the oil has heated, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts. This is optional. You can make this idli without any cashew nuts. Remove cashew nuts from the pan once they are slightly brown. In the same oil, add mustard seeds and fry them until they splatter. Then add chana dhall and urad dhall. This will add a special flavor to the tempering. Saute until the lentils are slightly brown. Do not overcook. Then add shredded curry leaves, some grated coconut, sliced red or green chilies, and grated ginger. You may omit the chilies if you prefer a less spicy version, especially for children. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add 1 cup of rava. You can use either coarse or fine rava. Toss it well in the pan and let the rava cook for 2 to 3 minutes at low heat. Switch off the stove and pour the rava mixture into a bowl to cool down for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add 1 cup of yogurt. I'm using vegan yogurt here. For 1 cup of rava, we usually need 1 to 1 1/4 cups of yogurt. Also add half a cup of grated carrots. Add half a teaspoon of salt and mix everything well. If it is too dry, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of yogurt or water. The texture should be a little thicker than normal idli batter. And now keep aside the batter for 15 to 20 minutes so that the rava absorbs the liquid. After 20 minutes, the batter is ready for steaming. Now add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and mix well. Baking soda will help the idlis to rise and be fluffy. Now prepare the idli tray. Brush some oil on the tray so that the idlis won't stick to the bottom. Place 1 to 2 cashew nuts in the idli tray first if you are using them. Then scoop some batter and fill up each segment with batter. This idli batter should make 8 to 10 idlis depending on the size of the idli tray. We can even out the batter with a spoon like this. Next, fill up water in the idli pot up to the lower level. Then place the tray in the idli pot. Cover and steam for 15 minutes at high heat, counting from the time the water starts boiling. After 15 minutes, check whether the idlis are cooked. If they are sticky and soft, steam for another 5 to 10 minutes. Now the idlis are ready to be served. These idlis can be served on their own as they are savoury and very tasty. However, they can also be served with coconut chutney and lentil curry or sambar for better flavour. If you liked this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe for more recipes. Thank you.